Did you know that if you use your computer at night, it could prohibit you from getting a good night's sleep? Studies upon studies have shown that the blue light emitted from the screen could mess with your eyes and trick your brain into thinking it's daylight, which causes you to have a hard time falling asleep. Here's the good news. If you're a Windows 10 user, I've got something that I'm going to share with you right now that's going to make sure that this doesn't happen to you. This is Wrestling with Tech, where I wrestle with tech so that you don't have to. Now, if you never heard of this before, you might say, this is crazy. How can my computer be keeping me up at night? Well, the studies have shown that the blue light, the light in the screen of your computer, actually tricks your mind and kind of prevents the suppression of melatonin, which is basically what helps you fall asleep. So your brain thinks it's daylight because it's looking at bright light. Fortunately, Microsoft has learned this information and through the Creators Update have come out with something called Nightlight. And what Nightlight does is it actually will start to dim the screen and lower the blue light, relaxing your eyes, which then, according to the research, helps you fall asleep faster and better. So I want to show you right here, right now, exactly how you can set up Nightlight, and hopefully it'll help you fall asleep better. You can find Nightlight settings in the Windows settings. The way that you access the Windows settings is by going right down here and typing the word settings. It's going to automatically pop up. You select it, you're going to get right to your Windows settings. Then what you can do is you could do one of two things. You can either go directly into Systems and Display is the first one that's already selected, and you can see that I have my options here, or you can just go up here into the search bar and start typing Nightlight. Now let's go back. I'm right back here into Display Settings. Now if I turn Nightlight on, this is what happens. It's off until 7:34. And the reason why it's off until 7:34 is because that's when sunset is. Let's go to the Nightlight settings right now. And you'll see this is where I can turn it on. So if I wanted to turn it on right now, I just click it. And you could see how the screen automatically dims to relax your eyes. You can even adjust the amount that you want by using the slider. So if I drag it over to the left, you can see it gets even deeper, all the way to orange. I don't think you want that much, but you can basically play around with this and find a level that's comfortable for you. Now, what you can do is you can go down here, and I have it automatically selected to begin at sunset to sunrise. What's going to happen is at 7:34, it's going to slightly start to dim all the way down until it reaches the temperature that I want, and then it'll stay that way until 6:35 a.m. But if I wanted to, I can just click Set Hours and turn it on at whatever time I want, and then have it turned off at whatever time that I want. So I recommend that if you're interested in Nightlight, find the hours that work well for you and set either sunrise to sunset or set the hours. Make sure that this is selected so that it automatically turns on. That way you don't have to manually turn it off and on anytime that you want. Now there's another way that you can access it as well. If you go right down here to the bottom right, which is known as Action Center, you're going to see that Nightlight is located here as well. You can see it right here in the corner, and you could select that, and that's how you can manually turn it on or off very quickly. So that's Action Center right there. So I hope that you will get some benefit out of Nightlight and that it will help you get some better sleep. If you have any other questions about Windows 10, you want me to cover something on Windows 10, just feel free to let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below, or feel free to message me on social media. It's AlexHP4QVC, and I'll do my best to create a video for you. So until next time, I will see you guys right here on Wrestling with Tech.